Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make cocktail foam without egg white. Let's start with aquafaba, the liquid found in canned chickpeas. This amazing ingredient is a fantastic plant-based alternative to egg whites, creating a stable and silky foam. For each egg white a recipe calls for, simply substitute with 2 tablespoons of aquafaba. It's flavorless and works wonderfully in many classic drinks, giving you that perfect frothy top. Next up, consider using specialized foaming bitters or syrups. These innovative products are designed specifically to create a beautiful, stable foam without any animal products. They contain natural emulsifiers that activate when shaken, giving your cocktail a lovely texture. Just add a few dashes, usually 3 to 5, directly into your shaker with your other ingredients. It's a super easy way to achieve that desired frothy layer. Another excellent option involves using soy lecithin or vegetable glycerin. These ingredients are powerful emulsifiers that can create a light, airy foam with just a tiny amount. For most cocktails, you'll only need about 1/8 of a teaspoon per drink. They are virtually flavorless, ensuring your cocktail's taste remains exactly as intended. Simply add it to your shaker with your other liquids and shake vigorously for best results. To ensure your foam is perfect every time, remember these key tips. First, always dry shake your ingredients without ice for about 15 seconds. This helps to emulsify and build the foam. Then, add ice and wet shake for another 10 to 15 seconds to properly chill and dilute your drink. Finally, fine strain your cocktail into your glass to achieve a smooth, consistent, and beautiful frothy top. Enjoy your perfectly foamed creations.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.